This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. So, I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Traveler B0 B9V9H8XZ and the Q2000 B00 FDOON9W. Both are portable propane grills, but there are some key differences.
Yeah, I see that. The Traveler is newer, right? And it's designed specifically for taking places, while the Q2000 seems more like a smaller stationary grill that can force be moved.
Exactly. The Traveler's dimensions are 42.72 DX, 43.6 inches WX 37.2 inches H, and it weighs 32 pounds. It's got this one-handed setup and fold-down design, which is super convenient. The Q2000 is smaller when folded, but weighs more, clocking in at 42 pounds and dimensions of 24.3 DX 51.4 inches WX 26 inches H.
Portability is key for me, so the weight difference is noticeable. What about cooking space?
The Traveler boasts a larger cooking space, enough for about 15 burgers, so everyone eats at the same time. The Q2000 has a cooking area of 280 square inches, so that is definitely smaller.
I see, that's good to know. What about heat? Are they both 12,000 BTUs?
Yep, both grills have a single stainless steel burner producing 12,000 BTUs, so they're equal in heating power. The Traveler has a feature that allows you to control the heat, ranging low to high to sear steaks, grill chicken, or make pancakes.
Okay, so similar heat output. The Q2000 is fully assembled right out of the box, and the Traveler needs some assembly.
True, the Traveler needs some assembly, but it has convenient features like tool hooks and a side table, which the Q2000 also has. The Traveler can use both a 1 lb tank or a 20 lb tank with an adapter.
Okay, interesting. So the Traveler is more versatile in terms of fuel, and currently the Q2000 is unavailable, right?
That's what it looks like. The Traveler is available and has a 4.6 star rating with over 1,300 reviews, while the Q2000 has a slightly higher rating of 4.7 stars.
Okay, so if portability and cooking space are priorities, the Traveler seems like the better choice. If I wanted something smaller, the Q2000 would be good, but it's currently unavailable, and the Traveler has similar BTU. Thanks, this helps.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.